So I saw this video and I always wanted to try it out.
It says this is a depilatory! Does that mean it has to go up my butt?
Can't believe I grew this beard just for this video. It took me a freaking month to grow this beard. This is the biggest it's ever been. That's what she said. No? We got our magic shaving powder right here. We need a rag, we need some water, and we need something to mix it all in. Yep, here I am making another video with powder. What's up with this white stuff every time in his videos? I guess it's my destiny to be a crackhead. Believe me, the day I turn out to be a crackhead, I think there's a bigger chance I'll turn into a mad scientist instead. I don't know why, but I love using a pipette. The mixture should be really thick. The thicker the better. A few more drops won't hurt. Oh man, this really stinks. And it has to go on my mustache. Yeah, baby! Alright, now I look like Santa Claus. Or maybe just a crackhead. I look like an infant who just drank all of his mother's breast milk.
You got some more, mommy?
My mouth actually looks like an abominable snowman. I actually look like I've snorted a bunch of coke with the Godfather himself.
Yeah, man, you got some more of the white stuff, bro?
I don't know how much longer I should sit with this stuff. It smells terrible. It smells like I've pee all over my mouth. Yo, oh my god, check this out. I can just pull my beard out like... What? I can just pull it out like so. What? It feels so weird. Oh, this is definitely magic. Alright, let's say goodbye to all the stash people living in there. Bye bye. Much better.
Suddenly, pineapples.
What's this? So we're making crystals now? Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. We're gonna add a bunch of salt. I'll be back with some more beverages, huh? I'm sorry, sir. I do not have a cup of tea. A cup of tea. A cup. I promise you guys, this is not poison. Now let's put some food coloring in. Woo! Jesus! This is supposed to be red. What happened here? Oh, it's not red, it's burgundy. Yes, this is poison. I will poison my best friend. What have I missed? Now just wait 24 hours and hopefully we'll get some burgundy crystals. Put this on top and wait for my life to get even suckier.
Suddenly, pineapples.
Yes, 24 hours have passed and it still looks like normal old salt water. What did you expect? For you kids out there who actually thought this would turn into crystals, good luck to your future. Yo, what's this? That's some sick holographic shit. Sick holographic shit, man. We got the exact same one. This look cool. Come on, Patrick. Does it work? Maybe I should turn off all the lights. Do you guys see anything? Yo, do you guys see anything? Because I can't.
Well, it seems like someone also tried it and they didn't succeed.
Yes, so I'm not going blind. Wait, okay, so I need a lighter. I need a pen. What do we got? Lighter pen. No? Okay. Inked on lighter. Invisible flame. Yes! Whoa! I can live without eyebrows. First of all, we need to find a way to remove this cap of the lighter. Okay, my teeth aren't strong enough. What kind of freaky tools do I have here in my room? Not sure how I'm going to use this, but this is one sexy, I need to stop touching this.
Stop doing so gay, man.
Oh, this is actually easier than I thought.
Yes, baby.
Easy. I should remove that because I'm gonna step on it later.
Razors, man.
Yes. Now let's dip the tip.
Come on, baby. Put some ink on that bitch, baby.
Alright, and now let's see if it will turn invisible. Whoa! What if I just burn this shit? Come on, go invisible! Go invisible! Oh, something's coming out. The ink is coming out! Oh, it's gonna... oh, okay, no, no. Oh no, we need to extinguish this. Okay, not the best way to put out a fire, but this toilet roll actually saved my life today. Yeah, I'm curious, does a pen still work? Of course it doesn't. Another thing on the ground that I'm gonna step on later.
Yo, we got some homemade fireworks. Looks legit. We got a little... Whoa! Whoa!
Yes, please, this was awesome. Ah! I stepped on it! I knew I should have removed it. We're gonna try to fit the flint pieces into the spring here. No. Where did the other piece go? Fine, I don't need you. Now let's light this baby up till it becomes red hot. Now that's hot. Now all we gotta do is throw it on the ground. Okay, red hot chili pepper, let's go. Yo! That's so cool! It works!
Wow!
Alright, this one is the tomato hack. Yes, let's sanitize. Place the razor into this bowl, cover it up, and shake, shake. Where did the razor go? On the other side of the bowl! It just has some light scratches on it.
Fanta plus stick equals... fantastic! Very good, very nice!
Big Fanta man! We're going scientific on his ass. Boom!
Very good, very nice.
Ah, it smells fantastic. All we gotta do is add just a little bit. How much? Just a little bit.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Now for the secret ingredient. The glue. What? Is it clogged? It's still clogged. You're messing up my video, man. You're giving Dr. Graphings a bad name here, man.
I'll be back. I'll buy a new bottle.
Oh, look at the bubble, look at the bubble. Oh, anyway, here we go. Oh, glasses on. And here we go. Wow. Look at this. It's so cool. It looks like worms. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Did it work? Nope.
Oh, yo, what time is it? Oh, I know. It's time to react to another fake-ass TikTok video.
Your favorite luxury waiter is back. Let's make some smoke, baby. First, we're gonna add some sugar, baking powder. Stir, 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 stir.
Stare, stare, stare.
It would work if I had some smoke in my mouth and blew into the straw, but...
Ew, okay. What? You see, kids, this is how hand sanitizer destroys the coronavirus. Welcome to Fact to Cap, where we test out hacks so you don't have to.
The old hand sanitizer trick. Alright. If you wanna know how, if you wanna know why the COVID virus doesn't stand hand sanitizer, well, it burns the shit out of them. Burn! Come on, man! Let's try it again. There's nothing, you can't see anything, but... What's this? Okay, 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 okay. You see this? Magic! Whew. I wanted smoke, well here's smoke. Where's the wine glass? Yo, the flame is still there, but you can't see it. Yep. Yep. Alcohol and a fire makes invisible flames. We actually did this trick during chemistry, and it was pretty cool to see that we can make invisible flames just with alcohol. Let's see what's the next hack.
Okay, another one. Another fake video that apparently kids think it's true. Oh, this guy again.
Cool. I have no smoke in my mouth. I'm going to prove to you that this doesn't work. Or maybe it does. It's a perfect fit into the hole. That's what she said. Didn't work, big bubble, man. Houston, we got a problem. This hack is a total fail. Over.
What's this? We got another sugar and salt trick? Oh, this guy again. Oh, man.
Oh, he's going to do it. He is going to do it.
Watch this. Oh my god. That doesn't even look close to sugar or salt. I don't know what he put in there, but it's definitely not sugar nor salt. But let's try it out.
Your trusty butler scientist cowboy is back in the building. Whoever thought of this one is someone who isn't very experienced in the kitchen. I mean, like, mixing salt, sugar, and water are actually the basic things to do whenever you're cooking. And never have I ever tasted crystals in my food. But you know, boys, we're a cowboy and we're going to do it the old west style. With some salt and sugar and a bit of water. Woo! Like the guy said, let's try it out. Salt on the left side, we got some sugar on the right side.
Mix them together.
Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. Now let's add some water. Let's add some more water. The only thing that's happening is that it's dissolving it. Okay, people, hear me out. It's time for the next hack. Okay, that's a cool hack. Wait, what are you guys looking at? Stop looking at my crotch. It's just my light bulb. Yo, if this one works, I'm gonna make light come out of my mouth. Okay, so if I read the instructions correctly, the battery should go like so. Another one should go here, and then the last one should go here. Is that correct? Maybe we should change the battery positions. I wanted to show the YouTube people how cool I am. It doesn't work, so I'll do it anyway. Let there be light.
Okay, what's this? Magical.
What do you guys prefer? Cowboy butler or cowboy scientist? Cowboy butler or cowboy scientist? We don't got Fruit Loops because those are a bit too expensive for me. So we got the ones from Wish. Fruit! Oh! Fold the insides in. Fold this side in. It needs to go in. Come on, go in. Almost there. Wow. No! I can't waste! 3-second rule. What's more on the list?
Whoa!
Let's put more light in. I can feel it. I can feel this working. Where the hell's the power button? Okay, here it goes, No! Okay, let's hold it up like this. Yes! Baby! No! Oh man. Yo! It's shredding everything! Stop it! I really thought this one would work. Now I'm standing behind the camera crying. Clingy. I want to make a toast to everyone who's still here watching this video. Ah,